Hello again YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In this video I take a closer look at the two newest wagons I just put together. I finished out the steering on the Firefighter. And like I mentioned in the last video, I already made a video for the steering setup, so if you want to see how to build a steering setup similar to this one, follow the link in the description section below and it'll show you everything you need to know about this. Alright, let's check out the other wagon. I had to add length to the handle again, so I added a connecting rod, and this way I wasn't kicking it around while I was walking with it. Typically you see wood on a wagon, it's on the outside. I like clean lines, mine's on the inside, so I just flipped the slats and cut off the overlap. Added a plate. And this is actually the highest ride height wagon I've ever put together. But I like the way it turned out. I like the wood especially. But I typically like to just drag them around. Alright, that's it. We've come to the end of the video now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you did, go down, smash that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.